Hi viewers, take 3 this is, believe it or not. Right, today we are outside, we are in a place called Carter Lane East in South Normanton, Derbyshire, not far from where we live. On this road we have 2 garages, one here and one a little bit further along, which I will do a review on shortly, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, not sure yet, but still. This garage is a nice garage. The staff are nice and friendly, the prices are nice and friendly, and fixing your car will be no problem for these nice chaps up here. Right, what I do find nice is if you supply the parts yourself, this garage will fit them for you. I'm pretty sure the other garage do not allow you to supply the parts, but I'll look into that one then later on, yeah? Right, so if you want some work doing to your car, pop over here to Pit Stop Junction 28 Limited, just off Carter Lane East, South Normanton, Derbyshire. And I'm sure the staff will take care of you, mate. You might even be lucky. I've been lucky, and you get a cup of tea sometimes, yeah. A nice cup of tea from a lady in the office. Not sure about biscuits though. I think I got biscuits last time. I can't remember now, to be honest with you. Anyway, so let's have a quick look around, shall we? We go around and see what they got. The big building is the office and where they do most of the repairs. And to the left hand side you'll see 2 smaller buildings where they do the MOTs. I'm not sure about the price for the MOTs up here. I think it's about £49. I'm not sure, but I could be wrong. But still, need an MOT? Why not pop along here? I'm sure they'll help you. Right, so let's keep going along the road, shall we? As you can see, they do tyres as well on the front. Pit Stop Junction 28 Limited, yeah. Highly recommended. So why not pop down if you need your car repairing? I'm sure the chaps and chapesses will help you out.